Dillraba Dilmurat is currently one of the most prominent stars in the Chinese entertainment industry. With her striking visual, sharp and exotic facial features, and graceful aura, the Xinjiang beauty effortlessly steals the spotlight whenever she appears at major events. Recently, Dillraba once again went viral across social media after attending the launch event for the high jewelry collection Les Petals by Mikimoto, held as part of Paris Haute Couture Fashion Week. Her stunning visuals and luxurious styling received countless compliments from fans and the media alike. Radiating elegance and sophistication, Dillraba turned heads in a sleek black gown with a strapless neckline that accentuated her delicate shoulders. The floor-length dress, expertly tailored to hug her waist and hips, featured a black rose detail that highlighted her ideal hourglass figure. As a global ambassador, she completed the glamorous look with a full set of Mikimoto's Haute Joaillerie Les Petals jewelry, adding an extra touch of luxury. The overall styling was both regal and star-studded, allowing Dillraba to truly shine. The 1992-born actress chose a classic high-bun hairstyle to showcase the stunning jewelry to its fullest. Her makeup emphasized her deep, captivating eyes, with long curled lashes and a bold red lip that beautifully complemented her flawless fair complexion. In every moment captured, she exuded confidence and elegance, embodying the perfect image of a red carpet superstar.